Hey everybody, what's up? It's me, Timothy, and here is my 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. I just got it today. Yep. And got it today. Pretty cool inside. Now, the thing I still can't get is how to get this thing to show me backing up and everything. But this thing's supposed to show me backing up, but it hasn't came on. I've got to figure out how to do that. But yeah, and instead of using a key to start, yeah, these are the keys. Isn't that pretty cool? Instead of having regular keys, you got these. It shows the door and everything. There's the mileage, 58044. And that's the back of it. Yeah, this is my 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, pretty cool. Just gotta keep it clean and everything and all this and that, and I will do fine. And gotta, do oil changes like I'm supposed to, and this and that. But yeah. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comment box what you think. Of it. Yeah, let me know in the comment box of what do you think about my 2019 Dodge Grand. Whoops. Focus, focus, focus. Ah. Sorry about that. But yeah, let me know in the comment box what do you think of my van here. Just curious of your take about it. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this video here with me. Checking out my 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. And if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this video, hit that subscribe button down there and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Hey, also do me a favor. Hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But until my next video, They call me Showing with Timothy. And this video's over. Have a good one. And thank you for watching.